Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel after the long break, which we're not going to talk about. In today's video we will be looking at the Wacom Intuos S CTL4100WLK0. That was hard to remember. You might be thinking this is a normal review video. It is not. Stick to the end of the video to find out why. No skipping, please do not skip, just watch the whole thing. Thank you. Let's get started. What's in the box? Okay, so the box has a lot of things inside, which, don't worry, it's empty, which I would talk about in the next clip. So I'm gonna shrink myself and then you're gonna see it. Voila. Okay, so the box comes with a pen, the charging cable, which is about 3 meters long, and the tablet with the instruction manual. Unfortunately, the tablet doesn't come with a glove, but you can find refills of the pen nib inside the pen. 4 of the buttons are programmable to whatever you want it to be, depending on the app you're using. And the middle button is the power button or the Bluetooth pairing button. You notice that the buttons create a kind of a pen holder. It's not that deep, so be careful so your pen doesn't fall off the tablet. You could also slide it into the little strap that's in the top of the tablet. The pen doesn't need a battery for you to use it. It fits perfectly into your hand and it's easy to move around. The reason I like this particular tablet is because the tablet is easy to carry around. Like, the box is not even, the box is almost the same size as my hand, so that's why I got the really small one for portability. But you might want to get the medium size, which is about, I would put up the dimensions on the screen because I got pictures of them. Hi, voiceover Ben here. I realized I didn't really explain something properly, so I will be explaining it right now. The tablet is sold currently at a price of $99.95. You can find it on Amazon, and I would try to put the link to all this product in the description. Okay, so the tablet is compatible with your Apple and Windows devices. The minimum version for the Apple device would be the OS X 10.11, and the minimum version for the Windows would be the Windows 7. This means that if you try to use it in a tablet or a device that's below the requirements, it wouldn't work. And I also discovered that you could plug the device to your Android device. I don't really know how that one works, and I would research more about it and give whatever information I can in a future video perhaps. Okay, now for the installation process. It's extremely easy. I bet a chimp can do it. Okay, back to the video. Anyways, you install the right drive from the Wacom website for either your iOS or Windows. It's gonna give you the options there on the website, and then it goes automatically, and it doesn't even take that long. After that, you can configure the tablet to whatever customizations you want depending on your preferences and the softwares you use. You can program the 4 buttons on the tablet like I said before, and the 2 buttons on the pen. For individual softwares, you can customize them how you want the buttons to function for each software, and you can store your customizations locally or on the cloud, so that if you use the device on a different device, you can sync up those customizations and use them the exact same way. Instead of starting afresh from scratch and doing everything manually, you could just download the ones you've already customized and use that for that computer. Drum roll please to the part of the video you've all been waiting for. Now I'm gonna give you some other options and drawing tablets just in case you're in the market for them and you need to see what other options are available in case you're not interested in this particular Wacom tablet model. Okay, so the first one on the list is the Huion Canvas 24 drawing tablet. The tablet is a screen tablet that has 20 programmable keys, 8,192 pressure sensitivity levels, and anti-glare coating, and it is sold for $899. The next one we're going to look at is the XP Pen G430S. It's a handy dandy really small tablet and it costs only $20. It was not prepared seriously for art, but you could use it to mess around in case you are not sure if digital art is something you want to dive into or not. It's a really cheap option that gets you prepared for a more advanced level of a drawing tablet. It also has a high review on Amazon and it's cheap, so it works for me. And I've used it before and it is really good, because I got the smaller one before I got this one, and I would recommend you do the same thing. It just gives you an idea of what you're looking out for, and with the problems you would pick out in this one, you could now look and say, oh, this is what I want, or that is what I want, or if you're okay with this, it's fine, but it's not gonna last so long because it's cheap. That's why I upgraded. The next tablet we're going to talk about is the XP Pen Artist 12. It is another screen tablet. It comes with less buttons than the Huion Canvas 24. It has 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity, like the Huion Canvas 24. It comes with a handy touch bar, and it's sold at a reasonable price of $200, which is a lot cheaper than the Huion Canvas 24. The next one is the XP Pen Deco 01 V2 drawing tablet. It is an ideal drawing tablet which is not so expensive and is good for online learning and digital art. It has this 10-inch by 6.25-inch workspace. It can be used in portrait or landscape depending on what you are working with, and it is sold for $70 on Amazon. You could check it out if that's what you want. The next one we're going to look at is Wacom PD 1560 drawing tablet. It is a good mid-range tablet. If you're looking at to step up your drawing game without spending too much money, this is a good option. It has 8,192 pressure sensitivity levels, same thing with the Canvas and the XP Artist 12, and it has a large 15.6-inch workspace, and it is a screen tablet. It's also one of the best drawing tablets for students thanks to its user-friendly nature, and for left-handed artists, like the previous video I talked about. If you haven't watched that video, please check it out. The link is gonna be above. For left-handed artists, you could activate left-handed mode, and that way you don't miss out on the fun. And it also comes at an affordable price of $300. You know, I'm actually surprised that there's a tablet for left-handed people. I don't know how that works. I haven't tried using my tablet with my left hand before, but when I found this, I had to add it to the list. Next one is the Wacom Intuos Pro L drawing tablet. This Wacom tablet has 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity and a workspace of 12.1 by 8.4 inches. It may not have a built-in display or screen, but it is wireless, so you don't have to deal with a bunch of cables. And it's sold at the price of $500. The next one we're going to look at is XP Pen Artist 15.6 Pro. It is a cheap tablet and is user-friendly for starters. It is a screen tablet with 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity and a 15.6-inch screen. And it is sold for a price of $400, around that range. And I'm just gonna throw this one in there in case you want a laptop that can also serve as a tablet. You could look into the Microsoft Surface Book 3. It has an Intel Core i7 CPU, 16 GB of RAM, and a 13.5-inch touchscreen display. It has a Wacom 4096 pressure points, and it is a good option for a drawing tablet and laptop in one. The laptop goes for $1,400, and the pen is $75 if you want to add that to the list. With that said, thanks for watching another video. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Have a good summer.